Hello everyone. Welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. Today we are starting the next chapter, chapter number 5, presentation software, special effects. PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation software. PowerPoint is a presentation software. With the help of PowerPoint, we can make our presentation very attractive. So you can see here, PowerPoint, that is also called PPT, is a powerful, easy to use presentation software that enables you to create the presentation. So with the help of PowerPoint, we can make our presentation very attractive. It is a presentation software. It helps us to communicate our views and ideas effectively using the diagrams, photos, charts, sound, animation. PowerPoint basically provides a lot of features, and by using the feature we can make our presentation very attractive. In this we can use the diagram, we can use images, we can use audio, you can use video, animation. So by using these, or we can make our presentation very attractive. And our extension of PowerPoint is .pptx. Means when we will save our file of PowerPoint, so the extension will be .pptx. Inbuilt template. Firstly, we will discuss about inbuilt template. PowerPoint provides various features to use inbuilt template. So firstly, what is template? A template acts as a blueprint in creation of new slide or a group of slides. A template works as a blueprint. With the help of template, we can make our presentation. It is basically a predefined presentation. So it will save our time to create the new one. We can take inbuilt templates. A template includes the layout, colors, fonts, effects, background style, and so on. All the things are predefined, like the layout of the slide, color, font, all the things are predefined. So it saves our time to create the new presentation. If we want to take a predefined, that is called template. So let's start it. How we can open the PowerPoint, how we can start it, and how we can take inbuilt template. So how we can do it? Firstly, how to open the PowerPoint. Click on Start button. You can see here in this list, we can see PowerPoint 2016 is here. You can see here in this one, if I will check Microsoft Office 2016, click on that. Which application you want to use, you can take from here. This one, you can see here PowerPoint 2016. Just click on it. PowerPoint will be open. Another method is, I'm just closing it. Another method is just write in the search box. Write in the search box, you will find out. See, just click on PowerPoint 2016. When you will click on PowerPoint 2016, you can see here recent files. You can see in the left pane recent files will show. At the right pane, you can see blank presentation. By default, it is blank presentation. Means if we want to create ourselves, we can take blank presentation. These you can see here, these are the predefined templates. These are the predefined, or you can say inbuilt template. According to your requirement, you can take any presentation. See, I have taken one template. In this one, you can see if you want to change the color. For example, I want to take this one color. Select that one and then click on create button. Click on create button. You can see here, I have taken one predefined template. If I want to change it, or if I want to take the new one, click on file, then click on new. In the new, you can see difference are here. According to a requirement, just select it and take the color and then click on create button. Clear? If you want to take an online template, so what you will do, again go to the file, then new. Here you can see search for online templates and themes. In this box, you just write on the topic for online templates or themes. I have written here sports. Click on search. It will take some seconds to search it. So you can see here, these are the predefined, or you can say these are the online templates. For example, I want to take this one. I have selected this one. Then click on create button. You can see here, now my presentation is ready. This is our online template. So again, you can go to the file and then click on new. For the predefined, you can select from here. You can see many predefined template. Otherwise, you can write in the search box for online templates or themes. Click on search or press the enter key. Just select anyone for online template. Now it is downloading your presentation, your template. So it will take some seconds to download. After downloading, we just select that one and then click on create button. You can see here, this you can see downloading your template like this one. Just taking some time because then click on create button. You can see here our presentation online template is here. Like that, we can take inbuilt template